sheriff of Carroll County, and when I learned that there was going to be a Klan rally occurring in these parts, I went to go and watch from the side of the road. When I observed the cross burning, I decided I had to find out who was responsible and explain to them that they cannot do this in the state of Virginia. When I asked who was responsible, Mr. Black said, "I guess I am because I'm the head of the rally." And I told him, "There's a law in the state of Virginia that you cannot burn a cross, and I'll have to place you under arrest for this." It shall be unlawful for any person or persons, with the intent of intimidating any person or group of persons, to burn or cause to be burned a cross on the property of another, a highway, or other public place. Any person who shall violate any provision of this section shall be found guilty of a Class 6 felony. Any such burning of a cross shall be prima facie evidence of an intent to intimidate a person or group of persons. That's not right.
Prima facie.
But look at the First Amendment.
Very
Right
black.
to
Remain
freedom
silent.
of
The
speech.
cards are going to win this year.
Cross burning is intimidation.
Symbolic speech.
No, it's the Cubs.
Does intent matter?
History of violence.
Ku Klux Klan.
I agree.
I disagree.
Cross burning
But
is
is
not
that
intimidation
constitutional?
without intent.
We believe that the phrase, "any such burning of a cross shall be prima facie evidence of an intent to intimidate a person or group of persons," is unconstitutional because it suggests that the burning of the cross is the evidence that there was intent to intimidate. This takes away the right to remain silent, since if one were to remain silent in a trial where they had participated in a cross burning, the jury would assume that the burning was done with the intent to intimidate.
A burning cross, even when seen as threatening, can be symbolic of a philosophy or idea, white supremacy, and the law should not suppress ideas. It should also not be assumed that a burning cross is synonymous with intimidation, since if it were intimidation, it should be easy to prove it if there really was intimidation.
It is impossible to determine whether the jury has rendered its verdict, as it must, in light of the entire body of facts before it, or instead has chosen to ignore such rebuttal evidence and focused exclusively on the fact that the defendant burned a cross.
I disagree with both the majority and the minority. Cross burning is synonymous with intimidation, and all cross burnings are used with intent to intimidate at those they are directed at. I believe that they are much like a terrorist activity. Just as one cannot burn down someone's house to make a political point and then seek refuge in the First Amendment, those who hate cannot terrorize and intimidate to make their point.